There's that guy right there. That's where it routes, right there within this frame rail, and then it just pops out, goes right in there. And you want me to give it to you, or you want to give it to me? Coming your way.
How big your end?
It's fine. I think they're the same actually, but. All right, bring it on through. Just support it on this side so it don't flap the radiator. Boom. That's easy enough. All right, cool. Okay, so we're now under the bus. You can see our snazzy cooling system right there, but just to anchor where we are, this is the sliding door right up here. And then here's our old mounts for the old propane tank setup. This one's gonna stay, I'm fairly certain. And then this one, we're gonna unbolt there and there. We're gonna drill 2 new holes right on this one, and we're gonna mount it over here. This is basically just a piece of angle iron, but it's an angle bracket. Mount it over here, and then we can mount our new one between this beam and this cross beam over here, and we should be pretty golden. And just so you can get a close-up of that, we've got our 2 bolts that mount in there. So this is where that bracket was. I just took those 2 bolts off, and gosh, I love when you see stuff like this, like that perfect factory undercoating, untouched, sandwiched right in there for 50 years. Like, that's just rad. I love it. So that's that bracket off, and we're gonna put it back on, but on this frame member or cross member right there. So we got to drill our holes, which we're getting ready to do. All right, so we got our brackets. Well, this one's not modified. That one is down there. We've got our new pieces that kind of go on top of the brackets, our adapter kit right there. Same on the other side, and we're gonna now mock up our unit here. So far, so good. Yeah. Just got to tighten them down, and we'll be good to go. All right, so that is that for the propane tank install in this 79 WESty Bay Window bus. Hope you guys learned something following along, or if you're looking at doing it yourself, now you know how you can tackle it. It's not that bad. I think the most difficult part for us on this was that our drill with our drill bit wouldn't actually fit between the frame rails, so we had to go in cockeyed a little bit, but we made it work, and it was fine. And then otherwise, it worked great. So great product from GoWesty. Shout out to the folks there. And the very last thing we need to do actually is install a new hose because it did not come with one. So we'll have one of these made to the correct length. The length needs to be a little bit longer. If you're doing this job on your bus, you'll need to get a new longer hose. I'm actually going to pop on Amazon, pop online and see if they sell just stock lengths of this in different feet. So maybe we'll just go that route. Otherwise, I'll have to have one kind of custom made. But either way, I hope you enjoy the glory shots here. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Let us know in the comments if you have any thoughts, questions, suggestions. We always love hearing from you. And if you're interested in having a Subaru conversion done to your bay window bus, give us a shout, whether you want us to do it potentially or you need parts and a kit to do it. So we'd love to help you out. Thanks so much, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.